It's not your regular date. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back as promised that I will come back soon. In today's video, I will be sorting my accessories. They have been all over the place. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the plan for today. I have removed my rings जो मैंने पहनी हुई थी. I also got some of the other rings जो इधर उधर पड़ी हुई थी. I'm going to bring some boxes out, organizers that I have, like DIY. Firstly, I have this box. It says it's not your regular date. It's like really cool. इसके अंदर chocolate coated dates थी. I'm going to take everything out. So let me talk about some of my favorites from like this part. This ring, which was given to me by a friend in 2015, I still have it. I still wear it sometimes. These earrings, which I got from an Instagram page which is run by my friend. She has a small business. Then I also like this. It was also gifted by someone. I also like these rings as well, काफी ज़्यादा. Because like when I saw them in Khadi for the first time, beaded rings, I was like, wow, this is innovative. I have golden rings यहाँ पे. Then I have silver rings, some of them. Then I have some earrings over here. Then rings, beaded rings, more silver rings, and another pair of earrings. So I had these like chocolate boxes, और इनको मैंने इनमें like I started putting bracelets in them. From the bracelets that I sorted, I really like this one. I DIY'd it on, I think, the 3rd day of my freshman week or the 4th day. I really like this bracelet, which another friend of mine got me in 2016, which is 6th class. And yeah, it still fits me perfectly. I really like this one as well. I have been over wearing this as well. This I also DIY'd in 2020. I made this out of paper clips. There are so many accessories that I have lost in my university. At this point, I cannot even find my silver earrings. Silver bracelets, I meant. I got confused. So I had like really bad intervention by my father. I was saying I've lost so many accessories in the college, like so many rings. I don't know, I just dropped them somewhere. And yeah, I have also lost 2 sunglasses in my university as well. And yeah, that's my part on being careless, I guess. So now I'm going to take a quick noodles break. Don't judge the size of the bowl. But yeah, these are my noodles that I made. I will go back to the productive work after I finish this bowl of noodles. So now comes the jhumke. So moving on, I have some necklaces. Also, I have this I don't have this, my sister has it. This beautiful cross. Yeah, I just wanted to show this as well. This was pack of earrings that I got from Daraz. 11 sale se. And it has so many different gold hoops. And the quality is really good. And yeah, but I just don't know how to organize them. I think I need to get some organizer for this especially. These pendants that I have, ye toot gayi hai. I'm going to put them. I have like this cute kitty, butterfly shape, another butterfly, this cute little thing, this This one is a little cute cherry, and this is a star, and these are the chains that have corroded. I don't know, like I don't mind wearing them essay. These two chains, I broke them somehow when I was like changing the pendants unke andar. Another thing, I got this. I don't know how this is going to look. It's pretty. It's really pretty. दीदी ये देख, अच्छा लग रहा है ना? बाकी का I will see tomorrow. It is the next day. Again I went somewhere. So yeah, that is why I'm wearing this. Not that I have to explain and go in the details, but yeah. I am smiling unnecessarily. Okay, so the accessories that I showed previously, वो थी जो मैं regularly पहनती हूँ. And my sister too. We share them, but she never helps in like organizing them and keeping them, you know, safe. अब ये सारी जो accessories है that I'm going to show now, they are not really worn by us on daily basis. I have this really cute box of cute accessories like the pins and all, but my hair never cooperates to wear them. So yeah, I think they are pretty much sorted. Also, I got this from Daraz. I've never worn it kabhi bhi, but maybe one day I will. I also have like this box जिसके अंदर like some basic bangles है. I have some in silver, black and golden. My sister also has some of hers in this. I have another thing जिसके अंदर मैंने कुछ necklaces रखे हैं that I don't wear often. It's a very old वो pearls वाला necklace, and I attached paper clips to it ताकि वो थोड़ी extension हो जाए, वरना ये मेरे से पहना नहीं जा रहा था. I got this chain from a bag and I turned it into a neck statement. I don't feel like organizing all of this. How about we take a break before we proceed? Let's make a cake. I don't know, I added a lot of milk, and then I don't know, this is not how it usually looks. ये सच में बहुत अच्छा बनता है, but it's me, it's I who messed up this time. I'm going to quickly microwave this. This is the cake. It's really hot. थोड़ा chocolatey लग रहा है. We get back to work. I really like these hoops. I like ye wali earrings. I also have these. I forgot to show. Christmas special sort of thing. A part of me wants to give up. I really like ye wale bhi. Some of them have like corroded. Really sorry if the camera was like sort of tilted. I should give up. I'm finally done with my work. This is like, I don't know, like, anyways, let me show some of my favorites. I have this like little cute badge, really cute. And then let's just not go into the details because like I'm really done. I thought making a video would like actually enable me to do this. It did work, as much as I don't want to put another time lapse because I did पहले भी. मक्खी कहाँ से आ गई? I actually saw this post on internet which said your desk is the reflection of your mind. I'm not proud of this cleaning. this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and comment down below. And that's it. That was pretty much it. The plan wasn't to clean the desk, or was it? I don't know, but yeah, I still included that. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye.